Today our topic is farm animals. Let's get started without any delay. C for cow. Cow baby is called calf. Cow live in bran. D for duck. The baby of duck called duckling. Duck live in pond. H for hen. Hen baby is called chick. Hen live in cote. G for goose. Goose baby is called gooseling. Goose live in pond. S for sheep. Sheep baby is called lamb. Sheep live in sheep pen. R for rabbit. Rabbit baby is called kid. Rabbit live in burrow. D for donkey. Donkey baby called foal. Donkey live in bran. G for goat. Goat baby called kid. Goat live in bran. C for cat. Cat baby called kitten. Cat live in cat house. H for horse. Horse baby called foal. Horse live in stable. D for dog. Dog baby called puppy. Dog live in kennel. C for camel. Camel baby called calf. Camel live in desert. B for bee. Bee baby called larva. Bee live in hive. T for turkey. Turkey baby called poults. Turkey live in farm.